Hi there. A reader asked, what does it feel like to work in a software company as a technical writer? So I decided to give you guys an overall view of the structure and environment of a company that designs and develops software products. Uh, First, the most important, the heart of a software company, if you ask me, is the development department, the developers, the coders, the software engineers who actually write the code. And as a technical writer, they are your subject matter experts, and you'll be working in close coordination with them. And next, of course, there's the marketing and sales department. Once the product is out there, somebody needs to sell the product and generate cash flow income to make the whole enterprise worthwhile. And before the marketing, the product that is developed, it needs to be tested. So testing is very crucial, and there are so many different types of testing. There's unit testing, engineering testing, quality control testing, regression testing. I think at the bottom of it all, it comes to two basic type of testings. One, whether the component that's been worked on works in itself or not, if it's functional. And once we understand that this component works, does it work with other components of the system? Does it play well with other units? So that's also very important to test and find out. An important part of the software company is technical support. If anything goes wrong, things don't work, customers call a number. And as a technical writer, that's a great resource because not only you get feedback sometimes on the document that you put out there, but also you understand what are the things that you need to change due to either the fact that software doesn't work as it's supposed to, or your description of it, your instructions are not sufficient. So technical support personnel, they are also an important part of a software company. Then, of course, there's the general functional breakdown of management versus technicians, engineers, and we technical writers usually serve the management by designing and writing the documentation products that they deem necessary. So I hope this gave you an overall picture of a software company. We have marketing and sales, and we have a development team, a testing team, quality control and assurance, and then WeCom as documentation and communication and technical writing. So I wish you well if you decide one day to work for a software company.